Hey, what's up? It's Jamie. Welcome back to another hair makeover. Where this time around, I'm gonna do my sister's hair. Yes, today I'm going to show you how I balayage her hair at home. And before we start, just a disclaimer that I'm not a professional hairstylist, so all the things done here were based on my research. Basically, everything I learned through watching tons of YouTube videos. Anyway, her hair condition, she has virgin hair, and as you can see, very thick and very dry ends. That's what we're gonna work on, so make sure to keep watching till the end to see the results. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair videos, and let's get started. For the products, we will be using Fusion Ultra Lift Lightening Powder, 9% or 30 volume developer, hair color in the shade 9.0 or very light blonde, gloves, brush, mixing bowl, and foil. I'm using the foil that you would use in the kitchen. Also, I was having trouble cutting the foil, so I did what I would recommend and used a cutter. Make sure that you part or section to your natural parting. If you notice, wala sa gitna yung kanya, that's because kung ano yung hati ng buhok mo, ayun dapat yung susundin natin. For the first two diagonal sections underneath, I did the balayage technique without the teasing. After doing the back, I will now start at the front, or the money piece as I would like to call it. Also, the precision of doing the comb technique will determine how your hair will turn out. So take it slowly and be very careful. Make sure to fully saturate the hair to have even results. Bruha. Okay, right after doing the whole head, I will do the same technique sa mga hair na di nalagyan ng bleach. Yung mga nakalitaw pero sa bandang dulo lang. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. Down to the last part, which is the hair color. I already pre-sectioned her hair to make things easier and to finish quickly. I swear you'll thank me later for this. As you can see, I'm putting aside the root area for later because it tends to lift faster. Okay, this is her first time seeing her hair. Okay, okay. Game na. 1, 2, 3, go! Alam, ang ganda. Brown na pala siya talaga. Ganda? Ganda. Mukhang blondina, girl. Sana hindi ako si ng age. Ganda naman.
fresh.
Pakita mo naman sa camera yung kagandahan ng hair mo.
Not bad naman sa first try mo. Naman, di mo naman nasira yung buhok ko.
Approved!
Okay na.
Ikaw na mag-end ng vlog ko.
Ano ba yan? Nakakainis.
Ganda mo dyan, oh! Pirit ah.
Okay, thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!